Today, I'm taking you on a journey of transforming my office, or what I would like to call the room that I throw anything and everything into that my ADHD brain has no idea what to do with. This space has become the bane of my existence. We moved in almost a year ago, and I've yet to figure out what I want this to be. I have a lot of visions and ideas, but I know that's an investment of money, also time and motivation, which are all things that I do not have. I consider this space to be a great representation of what my brain looks like on a regular basis. But today we're changing it up. We're switching the script. The least I can do is get this space in order and come up with easy, manageable solutions to stay organized and keep it clean. I'm the type of person where if it can't look perfect of how I envision it in my head, then I just won't do it, won't start it, and I'll end up creating an even bigger mess. And then it gets me overwhelmed and then I procrastinate on it. So it's a whole negative cycle that we're trying to break. There is a direct correlation between your mental health and your living environment. That's obviously why they've been able to create so many seasons of hoarders. It's always linked to some sort of trauma. So it's like the saying, if you look good, you feel good. So that's the vibe for 2024. We're trying to get our spaces and minds organized. James' office has been in our closet for a long time, so he kindly asked if he could finally move in here. I said, of course, there's nothing I would want more than your nerdy Galaxy mousepad next to me. I took a lunch break at my favorite place, Jersey Mike's. Oh my gosh, this has my mouth watering. So delicious. James helped me so much. He hung all the things. I could not have done this without him. I then wanted to create a little area for Kenzie, a craft station, if you will. She's in here a lot with us, so it'll keep her entertained and busy. Now I'm just going to let you guys listen to the music, watch me organize, and get this space back in order. Can feel the universe is this room that we were not utilizing has so many functions for us. Not only is James working in here, I am as well. I'm also storing my PR, any packages I receive, my Amazon orders, giveaway things. It all has a place. I got some really inexpensive bins from Target. So it's just nice seeing it all come together. So if you have that one room in your house that you've been throwing everything into or putting off, take this as your motivation to get it done. I promise if I can do it, you can too. I feel so much more creative and ready to tackle the year.